Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Vechain, whose current price stands at the $0.031 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 1.18%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key chart patterns that we have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Vechain from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.02 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction, and soon we might see a very nice pump to the upper side. And here on the Vechain chart, Vechain has continued to respect the Elliot waves, and that is what I want to discuss on in this video. And starting my analysis here on the daily chart, you can see here on the daily chart we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upper side. We also managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.029 mark, and from there we have continued pushing even higher. Over here at around the $0.03362 mark, that is a key area of resistance which we have not yet managed to break above. We hit that key area of resistance and we are seeing a bit of a pullback to the lower side. If I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart, after making our low down here at around the $0.02 mark, we started to see a very nice bounce to the upper side, and in that movement we had also been trading within this descending channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, and in that movement to the upside we also managed to break above a key area of resistance over here. We also saw a very nice retest of that key area of resistance, and after seeing a retest we continued pushing even higher, and in that movement up here we faced a key area of resistance at around the $0.03362 mark, and before we had a pullback to the lower side, we had also been trading within this ascending channel, and as we were trading within that channel, we managed to break out of that channel to the lower side, and that has continued unlocking even lower prices here on the Vechain chart. This movement to the upside, we can also term it as an Elliot wave structure, having that as the first wave. Then we saw a retracement to the lower side in a wave 2, then a very nice movement to the upside in a wave 3, then at the moment we are seeing a retracement to the lower side, which might be the formation of a wave 4. Then I also expect to see a very nice bounce to the upper side in the formation of a wave 5. And once we see the completion of a wave 5 to the upside, then we can name that fractal wave as a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of this fractal wave, after making a high for that first wave, I expected to see a very nice retracement to the lower side in a wave 2. And using the Fibonacci's, we can get to see whether the wave 2 has done the minimum that we expect a wave 2 to do. That is the area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382. You can see that wave 2 retraced into that target area. We even overshooted the fib level 0.382, and after making a low down there, we started to see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 3, and using a trend based Fibonacci, we can get a target area for that third wave by connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gives me a target area at around the $0.03304 mark. That is at around the fib level 1.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts using that red target area. Then I can remove the fibs, and you can see the price of Vechain has maximized that target area for that third wave to the upside, and it's possible that the high of that third wave is in, and whatever we are seeing here in this pullback is what is forming a wave 4 to the lower side, and this gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out. And it's possible that we are seeing the formation of a wave 4, and because a wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the Fibonacci's to get a target area for that movement to the lower side, and to do that I'll be connecting the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3. That gives me a target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5, and I can mark that target area here on the charts. So it's possible that we might continue seeing lower prices here on the Vechain chart if Vechain continues to respect the Elliot waves. So I expect to see lower prices. We lose that key area of support at around the $0.029 mark, and we maximize our red target area for that wave 4 to the lower side. And once we have maximized our red target area, then I can expect a very nice reversal to the upside, and that movement is what will be forming our wave 5. And once we complete the formation of our wave 5, then we can name that as a higher Elliot wave count 1. It's also possible that as we continue unlocking lower prices, down here we have a key area of support at around the $0.029 mark. That key area of support can give us support, and in case that happens and we find support and have a nice bounce to the upper side and manage to break above this key area of resistance at around the $0.03362 mark, and in case that happens we even see a retest of this key area of resistance and continue pushing higher and maybe make a high that is above the high that we have over here before we maximize our red target area for that fourth wave, then I will have to adjust my Elliot wave count, having the high that we make as the high of that third wave, then have a target area here on the charts for that fourth wave to the lower side, then expect a very nice reversal to the upside in the formation of our wave 5. That is also a possibility here on the charts. We should have that in mind, but I believe that is the high for that third wave because it has maximized our target area. Let's expect that we'll be able to maximize our target area for that fourth wave and then have a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of our wave 5. Also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 37 mark, and that means any movement to the lower side to maximize our target area will be supported, and also any movement to the upside will also be supported here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have not yet printed anything, but soon we'll be printing a bullish cross. I hope by the time we are doing that, we'll have maximized our red target area, then continue pushing higher. So let's be patient and I'll keep you updated.